Welcome to our video, 25 tips for planning a multi-park road trip. If you're excited to explore the great outdoors and visit multiple national parks, you've come to the right place. We'll share essential tips to help you maximize your experience, keep your journey smooth, and make unforgettable memories along the way. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a first-time road tripper, these insights will pave the way for an incredible adventure. Let's dive in. 1. Choose your parks wisely. Embarking on a multi-park road trip requires careful thought about which parks you'll include in your journey. Consider factors such as distance, accessibility, and the unique features each park offers. Some parks may boast stunning landscapes, while others are renowned for their wildlife. It's essential to align your choices with your interests and available time. Remember, less can be more. Visiting fewer parks might allow for a richer experience at each one. Prioritize parks that are in proximity to each other to maximize your time exploring and minimize time spent driving. Ultimately, choosing wisely can mean the difference between a rushed trip and a fulfilling adventure. 2. Create a flexible itinerary. While it's important to have a plan, flexibility is your friend on a multi-park road trip. Weather conditions, road closures, or unexpected discoveries might require you to alter your schedule. An itinerary that allows for spontaneity can enhance your overall experience. Allocate extra time for each park to explore unplanned trails or attend ranger-led programs. Be open to recommendations from locals or fellow travelers you meet along the way. Having a flexible itinerary means you can linger longer in places you love or move on from spots that don't captivate you. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. 3. Check park passes and fees. Before you hit the road, it's crucial to understand the entry requirements for the parks you plan to visit. Many parks require entrance fees or specific passes. Consider purchasing an annual pass if you plan to visit several parks, as it might be more cost-effective. Some parks also offer free entry days, which can be an excellent opportunity to save money. Make sure to check if any parks require reservations ahead of time, especially during peak seasons. Being informed about these details will prevent unnecessary surprises and allow for a smoother trip. 4. Book accommodations early. Accommodations near popular parks can fill up quickly, especially in peak seasons. Booking in advance ensures you have a place to rest after a day of exploration. Whether you prefer camping under the stars, staying in a cozy cabin, or opting for a nearby hotel, early reservations are key. Consider the location of your accommodations for easy access to park entrances. Some parks offer unique lodging options, like historic lodges or yurts, which can add to your trip's charm. Planning your stays ahead of time can help you budget and avoid last-minute stress. 5. Pack smart. Packing efficiently is vital for a successful road trip. Consider the activities you plan to do and pack accordingly. Layered clothing is essential for varying climates and temperatures. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and a first aid kit. Packing cubes can help organize your clothes, making it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. Also, consider investing in a good quality cooler for your perishables. Packing smart means you're prepared for whatever adventure awaits while keeping your vehicle organized and clutter-free. 6. Plan for fuel and charging stops. Whether you're driving a traditional vehicle or an electric one, planning for fuel or charging stops is essential. Research the availability of gas stations or charging stations along your route. In remote areas, stations might be few and far between, so it's wise to refuel whenever you can. For electric vehicles, apps can help locate charging stations and even show their availability in real time. Having a strategy for fuel and charging ensures you won't be stranded in unfamiliar territory, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey. 7. Download offline maps. While technology is a fantastic travel aid, relying solely on GPS can be risky in areas with spotty reception. Downloading offline maps ensures you won't get lost, even without a signal. Apps like Google Maps allow you to save specific areas for offline use. This feature is particularly valuable in remote parks where signals are weak or non-existent. Having offline maps can give you peace of mind and allow you to explore with confidence, knowing you have a reliable navigation backup. 8. Research park conditions. Each park has its unique conditions that can affect your visit, from weather patterns to trail closures. Checking the park's official website or contacting visitor centers can provide up-to-date information. Be aware of any alerts or warnings, such as fire risks or wildlife activity. Understanding the terrain and conditions helps you pack appropriately and stay safe. Preparing for the specific conditions of each park ensures you can make the most of your visit and avoid any unpleasant surprises. 9. Pack food and water. Having a stock of food and water is essential for any road trip, especially when visiting remote parks. Pack non-perishable snacks like nuts, granola bars, and dried fruits that provide energy for hikes and explorations. A reusable water bottle with a filter can be invaluable, especially in parks where water sources are available but not always potable. Planning your meals can save money and ensure you have dietary options that suit your needs. Having adequate food and water means you're prepared for long days and unexpected delays. 10. Prepare for wildlife encounters. Encountering wildlife is often a highlight of visiting national parks, but it's important to do so safely. Educate yourself on the animals you might encounter and the best practices for keeping a safe distance. Carry bear spray in areas where bears are common, and store food securely to avoid attracting wildlife to your campsite. Respecting wildlife means observing them without disturbing their natural behaviors. Being prepared for wildlife encounters ensures both your safety and the well-being of the animals. 11. Bring the right gear. The gear you bring can significantly enhance your park experience. Quality hiking boots, a sturdy backpack, and a reliable tent are essential for outdoor adventures. If you plan to engage in specific activities like kayaking or climbing, ensure you have the necessary equipment. Don't forget essentials like a headlamp, multi-tool, and portable charger. Bringing the right gear means you're ready for any adventure and can fully enjoy the experiences each park offers. 12. Plan for different activities. Parks offer a wide range of activities, from hiking and bird watching to stargazing and photography. Research what each park offers and plan your activities accordingly. Consider trying something new, like a guided tour or ranger-led program. Having a diverse activity plan ensures you experience the parks from different perspectives. Planning for a variety of activities keeps the trip exciting and allows you to engage with the parks in multiple ways. 13. Respect leave no trace principles. When visiting natural areas, it's crucial to minimize your impact on the environment. The leave no trace principles provide guidelines for responsible outdoor recreation. Pack out all trash, stay on designated trails, and avoid picking plants or disturbing wildlife. Practicing these principles ensures that the parks remain pristine for future visitors. Respecting nature and leaving no trace ensures you contribute positively to the preservation of these beautiful spaces. 14. Check vehicle maintenance. Before setting off on your road trip, ensure your vehicle is in top condition. Check tire pressure, oil levels, and brakes to reduce the risk of breakdowns. Consider carrying a spare tire, jumper cables, and basic tools for emergencies. A well-maintained vehicle is crucial for a smooth journey, especially when traveling through remote areas. Regular maintenance checks can prevent unexpected issues and keep your trip on track. 15. Budget wisely. A well-planned budget ensures you can enjoy your trip without financial stress. Consider costs for fuel, accommodations, food, and park fees. Setting aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses can provide peace of mind. Look for discounts or package deals that can help you save money. Budgeting wisely means you can focus on enjoying the experience rather than worrying about finances. 16. Stay connected, or disconnected. Deciding how connected you want to be during your trip can enhance your experience. Some travelers prefer to disconnect entirely, using the trip as a digital detox. Others might want to stay connected to share their experiences or for safety reasons. Consider your needs and preferences, and plan accordingly. Whether you choose to stay plugged in or off the grid, the choice should enhance your enjoyment of the parks. 17. Plan for emergencies. Being prepared for emergencies is an essential part of any road trip. Create an emergency plan that includes contact information for local services, a first aid kit, and a list of personal contacts. Know the location of the nearest hospital or ranger station in each park. Having a plan in place means you're ready for the unexpected, providing peace of mind as you explore. 18. Be mindful of altitude. Some parks are located at high altitudes, which can affect your body if you're not acclimated. Symptoms of altitude sickness include headaches, nausea, and dizziness. To minimize the risk, take it easy on your first day and stay hydrated. Ascend gradually and listen to your body, resting when needed. Being mindful of altitude ensures you can enjoy the parks without compromising your health. 19. Capture memories. Documenting your road trip can help preserve the memories for years to come. Whether through photography, journaling, or video, capturing the moments allows you to relive the experience. Consider creating a scrapbook or photo album after your trip. Sharing your memories with friends and family can also inspire them to embark on their own adventures. Capturing memories ensures your journey remains vivid long after it's over. 20. Respect local communities. When visiting areas near parks, it's important to respect the local communities. Support local businesses by dining at local restaurants or purchasing souvenirs from local artisans. Be mindful of cultural norms and practices, and engage with the community respectfully. Respecting local communities enriches your travel experience and fosters positive relationships between visitors and residents. 21. Stay flexible. Flexibility is key to a successful multi-park road trip. Unexpected events, like road closures or weather changes, may require you to alter your plans. Embrace the unpredictability and view changes as opportunities for new experiences. Staying flexible means you're open to whatever the road has to offer, turning potential setbacks into adventures. A flexible mindset ensures you make the most of your journey. 22. Learn about the parks. Gaining knowledge about the parks you visit can deepen your appreciation for them. Research the history, geology, and ecology of each park. Understanding the significance of the landscapes and wildlife enhances your experience and fosters a sense of connection. Engaging with interpretive materials or ranger programs can provide valuable insights. Learning about the parks enriches your visit and allows you to see beyond the surface beauty. 23. Pack for all weather. Weather in national parks can be unpredictable, so packing for all conditions is wise. Layered clothing allows you to adjust to temperature changes throughout the day. Bring rain gear and a warm jacket, even in summer months. Packing for all weather ensures you're comfortable and prepared for whatever nature throws your way. Being prepared for any weather condition allows you to focus on the beauty and adventure of your trip. 24. Stay safe on the road. Road safety should be a top priority on a road trip. Follow road rules, wear seatbelts, and avoid driving when tired. Take regular breaks to rest and stretch, especially on long drives. Stay alert to changing road conditions and be cautious in unfamiliar areas. Staying safe on the road ensures you arrive at each destination ready to explore and enjoy the parks. 25. Enjoy the journey. While reaching the parks is exciting, remember to enjoy the journey itself. The landscapes and towns along the way offer their own unique charm and opportunities for exploration. Take time to appreciate the changing scenery and make spontaneous stops if something catches your eye. Enjoying the journey means savoring every part of the trip, making it as memorable as the destinations themselves.